I'm Arthur Clune, I'm CTO here at the University of Sheffield. The university is a large research-intensive university based in the north of England. We have approximately 35,000 students and particular specialisms in science, engineering and medicine. Our core student record system that manages the life cycle of our students is what we have written over the years in Oracle Technologies. We've been using that for approximately 20 years now. It manages the admissions of students, their progression from year to year, it tracks their results, their graduation. So it manages the entire life cycle of a student from the moment they apply to when they graduate. PITSS is a product that we've worked with now for a long time as part of the development of our student record system. In particular, because it's an Oracle technology stack that we use, PITSS products have been really key for us to enable velocity of development and to manage the complexity of a stack that is now based upon Oracle Forms, Oracle Apex, and also has quite a lot of Java components now, as well as a lot of PL SQL. And it helps us tie those things together and understand what's going on. So we've recently done a big upgrade to the cloud of our student record system. One of the core things is that for various reasons, there'd been a period of underinvestment in the system. It was on a legacy version of Oracle, it was on a legacy version of Forms. So we've upgraded to the latest Oracle version, we've upgraded to the latest Forms, and we've moved into AWS. And as part of that, we've done an awful lot of work to map out the architecture of the system, to redo our integrations, to understand how data flows, and to put us in a really good place to move forward. In addition, it's just given us some really nice speed benefits and reliability benefits for the end users coming from what was quite an old hardware-based on-premise solution. So Oracle Apex was actually introduced by one member of the team who went out and said, oh, this looks really good. The selling point for Oracle Apex for us has been that we've got a lot of business logic in Forms, but we also have business logic in the database, and we don't want to throw all that away. So what Apex offers is an incremental upgrade that gives a better user experience while keeping that well-tested, well-used core logic the same, and therefore allows us to upgrade at lower risk. A recent addition to how we work has been to use process mining to look at how data and processes flow across the university and between different areas and different staff teams. And PITSS has enabled us to just enable a config switch for more logging and then to analyze that later and then see where our processes get stuck, where our data goes, and use that to then redesign those processes to be more efficient. We're still relatively early in our journey of using process mapping, but already we can see areas where we've got delays in processes that we know we can fix. So now we've made this investment to get into the cloud and to upgrade, the next thing we're going to be doing is basically improving the user experience by pushing out more Apex, continuing to upgrade and looking at our processes and improving them.